and thank you for joining me on Facebook Live. Today I'm going to finally talk about what is radical and how can you actually transform your reality and life with radical. So in the current times, all of us would be going through one of the issues with respect to either money, job, finances, or ill health, or relationships. And there are about 4 or 5 approaches that you would be using to deal with them, because you would be feeling stuck or they would be absolutely very challenging for you. So some would be using their logic and then applying their rationale to solve it. Some would be using certain different kind of philosophies, methods, self-help techniques, affirmations. Some of us also would be taking help of the occult sciences, whether it's astrology, numerology, to finally find a solution of coming out of it. And most of us would be either praying to the Lord, to the divine for the blessing to just come out of this situation. So today I'm actually going to explain how amazingly simple and very profound and powerful tools of radical can truly transform your reality. And I'm going to explain you with each challenge, like if I start explaining you with money. So supposing some of you would be having lean finances, or would have lost jobs, or you have worked very hard and you still feel that you're not able to earn that kind of money and appraisals don't happen as per your desire, and you feel stuck when it comes to money. So the inflow is not smooth in your life. It could be in the current situation or it's always been like that. And that is your reality today. So how do we change this reality with radical? So before we go into the technique, we need to understand what actually creates reality. So we need to trace back to see from where does everything originate from. So what do you think? How does reality get created? From where does it begin? So if any of you know the answer, you could share it. So yes, so some of you have understood it that it's the thought. So everything starts from the thought. The origin of everything in the universe is the thought. Then there is a thought, there is an associated emotion. Then there is an associated energy variation. And then created is the physical reality, or we call it the physical manifestation. So let me give you a very simple example. Supposing you're going to go for an interview and you feel butterflies in your stomach, you feel the discomfort in your stomach, and that's your reality right now. So where did this originate from suddenly? So maybe you heard that the person who was going to take your interview was very strict, or you really had heard terrible things about him. So you already have a thought that you might not do well, he might judge you, he might ask you very difficult questions. And because of that thought, you have a emotion which is maybe of stress, anxiety, nervousness. And then that creates an energy variation around your stomach. And that's when you feel that there are butterflies or there is this discomfort. So similarly, if your reality of your money life is to do with the thought, we need to first understand that to change the reality, we need to change the thought itself first. And only then can you change your reality. So where does this thought come from actually? So this thought, so let me give you an absolute example. So the thought, so this is the metaphor of a mind. I've just made it to explain and make it easier. So the thought is conceived in the mind. And this is the metaphor of the mind. And the mind has many parts to it. So we've always thought that the conscious mind is the only aspect to it. So it's very interesting that if this is a mind, this is only the 7 to 8% of your entire mind, which is the conscious mind, which I've colored as green. And then we have another part of the mind which is called the filter mind, which is, I've made these black teeth kind of marks to show you that this is the filter mind. And then we have the subconscious mind. And based on different theories of the mind, the conscious mind is about 8% to 12%, and the rest of it is almost the subconscious mind. We follow the Dr. Kappas theory of the mind. Now, the reality that I was talking about is coming from the thought, not from the conscious mind, but from the subconscious mind. So, the conscious mind is all to do with the logical thinking, the linear thinking. The filter mind is like that security guard. So, it's like, in your computer, when you have mails, you make a rule, you make certain rules that these mails will go to the spam folder, it will go to the spam folder, it will go to the product folder. So, you kind of make certain different folders from where the mails will go to. Or like the security guard of your building, he decides who's going to come in, who's not going to come in. So, our filter mind is made up of beliefs, judgments, our conditioning that we have been from our childhood. And then we have the subconscious mind, where everything from your childhood to today is stored in different kind of folders. So, we have folders in the subconscious mind, and all the information and all the thoughts are stored here. So, now if you have to change the reality of your money, you need to understand what and which thought is creating that reality. And interestingly, it is not the thought at the conscious level, because consciously you want to be rich, everybody wants to have money, everybody wants to have the job. So, like, I want to be rich, I want the money to flow in, but it's not happening, because somewhere we have to go and understand the unhealthy thought at the subconscious level. But why do we not easily avail the subconscious thoughts, and how are we not able to decode it or identify the unhealthy thought? Is because we are emotionally so cluttered when things go wrong that the anxiety, the stress, everything gets clogged and stored in the filter mind, and it does not let us tap into the subconscious. So, how does now Radical help? So, the first step that Radical will do is to first emotionally neutralize you through the R5 technique, which we have shared in a lot of webinars. So, it's a very simple, very profound technique that instantly neutralizes you. As in 10 minutes, I think if you have anger, if you have stress, I'll share with you in the end of the conversation how you can go to actual zero and feel that emotional neutrality very fast. So, we've kind of cleared the filter mind with emotional neutrality, and then with certain techniques we tap into the subconscious mind and we go and identify that unhealthy thought that is creating this absolute reality for you which you are not comfortable with. So, let me give you very interesting examples of students when we worked with them. There have been some students we realized that in their early childhood or when they were growing up, they saw people who had money, and they thought that people who had money were maybe arrogant, they were lonely, they were criticized, they were judged. So, the subconscious had an association of money with being lonely, arrogant, and it had an adverse association. So, however consciously you want to make money or you want to be rich, the subconscious does not support it, because according to the subconscious, the way the thought is stored is adverse. So, what will you do then? So, the important thing is that we need to neutralize that adverse thought so that it does not have that power to create your reality. So, we use these techniques to then decode and identify and neutralize it. And then further on, to create a better reality, we also then modify the thought and amplify it. I'll give you another example. We have a lot of healers who, when we try to work with them, we realize that they think that spiritual life and material life are two absolutely different paths. So, if somebody is spiritual, they cannot embrace material life, or they cannot embrace that kind of world because they think it's wrong. So, we go and utilize that adverse association with spirituality, and then we kind of modify it. So, a lot of us then work with that it's safe to integrate material life and spiritual life. and then we amplify it to then change your reality. So with Radical, we can actually deprogram and reprogram your subconscious and rewire it to create a new reality. So this is how you can work when it comes to money. Then if it comes to health, so a lot of us have pain and a lot of ill health. Now interestingly, our body is also energy, and each part of our body has energy centers. So in Radical, so most of the people know about the 7 major energy centers of the body, and Radical is, I think, one of the only philosophies that has a detailed analysis of each and every energy center and an associated thought to it. And when the thoughts are right, the energy flows beautifully in the body. And the moment there is an unhealthy or an erroneous thought, that part of the body, the energy starts stagnating, and that's when you feel the pain. So pain for Radical student means pay attention in the now. You need to pay attention to some unhealthy thought again, which is there in the subconscious, identify it, and then work with it. For example, if you have, if you have shoulder pain here on the right side, the associated thought is you need to offload your past baggage and live in the moment. And the moment, if you have pain and you align your thought through certain techniques, your pain is actually gone. So Radical students have gone through that. Or if you have on the left side, it's about offloading future concerns. So each part of the body gives you a message in Radical, and it's very easy to work with your pain. I myself have had a slip disc, and I've shared in earlier webinars that 12 years and I had tried everything, but the moment I could decode what my erroneous thought was at the subconscious level, and I applied the techniques of first emotionally neutralizing myself and identifying, I was completely healed. Another aspect of Radical which is intangible is, I want to explain to you, when the body has a wound, it automatically heals. The body consciousness heals the pain and the wound, and it's like wonder. Radical is similar to that. So Radical, we believe, is a consciousness, and when you truly align to this amazing Radical consciousness, it not only facilitates your learning, your awareness, but it also facilitates healing in the body. So health and its reality can be transformed. Then we come to relationships. The most common, I think, with the relationships is a lot of us feel unloved, unworthy of love, or currently a few would be going through rejection, feeling abandoned, feeling abused. And some of you would be feeling it right now, and some of you would be feeling it as if it's a pattern that keeps repeating in your life from your childhood. So how can Radical now help you with this reality? Because somewhere all of us want to attract love into our life, we want to attract the right partner into our life. So the first few steps will be common, that the way I shared with money or I shared with health. We first learn to emotionally neutralize yourself at the filter mind. So we work with certain techniques that first calm you down with all the pain and all the hurt that you feel because of the relationships, like whether it's hurt, the trauma, anything. And then we go to step 2, where we go and try and decode the exact thought in the subconscious that is creating that reality for you, right? Like how we did, like we found that when we work with students, we have certain people who've gone through abuse, or when have seen the father abuse the mother. So somewhere in the subconscious you have an association of love is equal to abuse or men abuse, and that's the reality you will keep creating. Or if people have rejected you, not in your early years of life or when you're growing up in college, you feel I'm the rejectable one. So that unhealthy thought is again going to create your reality of being rejected all the time. Or you feel people betray, and that's another thought, unhealthy thought that is there in the subconscious, because again of your experiences maybe in your early years of growing up. And it's time now to change that reality. And it's very simple, with very simple and very powerful radical. So we again work with that, we neutralize those unhealthy thoughts and modify it, and we amplify the thought. But that's not it. This was class 1, going to class 2, class 3 and 10th standard. Now we have to go to college. So going to college means we go deeper into understanding in relationships that why are you attracting this pattern of rejection? Why does it keep repeating even when you change faces, when you change places, you change anything, that pattern doesn't leave you. So we understand with radical that all of us somewhere are being born here to evolve and grow, and that's the norm of the universe. Everything has to keep evolving. So we learn, but the amazing, whether it's a good or the bad part, but somehow all of us learn and evolve through experiences which are not so positive. So if you have to learn to approve things about yourself or other people, you go through experiences of rejection. If you have to learn to be liberated and feel free to be who you are, you go through a trap feeling. So it's like an opposite. So if you have to learn to be self-reliant and independent, you will go through a pattern of helplessness. But amazingly, if you don't even decode this, you're always going to continue with this pattern. Even if you change partners, if you change anything. So with radical, the good news is that it's very simple, and we help you decode that what is your pattern and what is the learning from that pattern. What is the final brilliance? And when you learn the brilliance and truly imbibe it, the experience actually stops, or you transcend that experience, that even if it ever comes back, you're so neutral and you understand the brilliance of it that you are comfortable with it, you're calm with it. And I think that's a bigger victory. And in this whole process, we also help you decode your soul blueprint. So just like a building, you make a building based on a blueprint. You have it ready first, and then you start laying the foundation and all the bricks and the mortar to make that tall structure. It's exactly how it works in our life. So before we are born at the soul level, we all have a predefined soul blueprint, or we call it a life plan. And we come down with that blueprint. And the moment you become aware of this blueprint, because it's very difficult at the conscious level to even know what your blueprint is, and when we help you decode that, and you align to this blueprint of yours, then life is like being on a highway. It's super cool. It's actually it's like, smooth, no hiccups. It's only when we don't want to walk that or don't want to drive on that highway, and we go into the jungles and the potholes and the ditches, is when our relationships don't work, the money flow stops, the health suffers. But there are very few ways in which you can actually discover your blueprint, and radical can really help you find that blueprint. And then once you find it and you imbibe to it, you don't need the steps we did when we went to class 1, class 2, class 3, because then you are so aware that you know what you're here for. And your search of who you are is finally over. And you know your own purpose, what you're here to do, and life becomes very easy. Your search of who you are finally then gets closure. Like, though I'm an architect, I realize that my blueprint is to be love. And for me, so that's why the mission of spreading love is through radical. So this way you can actually change your reality of your relationship, because all that you're missing is to find the brilliance in what you're going through. And finally, I've been talking a lot, so it must be very tiring. But for the for to listen actually, so the last point I'm going to share is for all the spiritual seekers here, who that the quest is to connect to your higher self, to connect to the ultimate truth of the universe, to connect to the unseen metaphysical frequencies. So I want to share one thing, that when you're born, you're gifted. I'll give you another metaphor. You are gifted and you are connected with the universe. So this is a metaphor of the super consciousness or the high intelligence. You call it divinity, you call it the cloud consciousness, and you're through the subconscious, you're always connected like that. But when, as you grow up, because of this absolute emotional clogging and your emotional responses to every situation, your filter mind does not let, so this filter mind actually disconnects you from super consciousness or the higher intelligence. And with all the steps that we've done, with all the steps that I've explained to you of how we can open this, we can reconnect back to this higher self, the higher consciousness, to the ultimate consciousness, and connect it through the subconscious into our conscious mind. And that's it. You found your GPS. The GPS is a little wobbly today. So you found your GPS. It's like, it's when you type in and the GPS tells you the shortest way and the best route to a place. Now this is your GPS, and it guides you it tells you all the solutions, it tells you what to choose, what direction to take, so that you can have an easy and smooth life. And when this connectivity happens, so let me get my GPS back. Okay, so when this connectivity actually happens, there is so much of awareness, there's so much of your consciousness has enhanced, and you're so aware that from this perspective you are able to see the brilliance on every creation in this universe. You understand that there is a larger plan in place for each and every person. Each and every person is safeguarded, and there is a beautiful design in place for each person. And when you can see that, you almost embrace everything and you don't want to change it anymore. So though you went to class 1, you went to class 2, class 3 to reach finally 11, 12 and then university, once you're there, you don't even have to go to those steps. And you can live in this beautiful acceptance of everything. And with this awareness, you can completely change and transform your reality. So this is how Radical can help us lead an amazing, easy, joyous, blissful life, and by helping us connect to super consciousness. And what I find amazing is that with it's one of the modalities that can actually bring you to this kind of stillness and awareness in extremely short period of time. For a lot of us, we felt that it would take us 10-15 years to reach this stillness. We've read in books and we have heard from so many people about this thing of being still, feeling this bliss and this joy when we are connected. And with Radical, you can actually feel this in a very, very short period. So if you feel that there is truth in this whole conversation of mine, and if you feel that you need to experience it once before you even don't want to experiment with it, just once, try we have these two very amazing free programs, which is the 28-day karma clearance program, and we have this chakra revival program, and it's all over on the Facebook, and we have so many mentors to promote that and to help you with that. Or you can take a free session and just experience the magic of Radical. And I'm going to give you two more tips before we go today, where you can, sitting at home, after hearing this video, you can actually experiment, and you will know how easy and profound these techniques are. So the first technique that I share in my webinars is the R5 technique. So if you can just give me 5 more minutes and just close your eyes and just bring your awareness to your body. And think of any emotion that you currently feel. So if there is some form of discomfort, or any other emotion, all you need to do is just say, I R5 my discomfort. And we say it 7 times. I R5 my discomfort. I R5 my discomfort. Keep saying it for a few times. Now, what is the next emotion that you feel? It could be anything, it could be sadness, it could be anything. Then you say the same thing, I R5 my sadness. The full form is I revive, recognize, realign, reorient, reposition my sadness. I R5 my whatever emotion is there, please say it a few times. After saying it a few times, again think of what next emotion do you feel, and R5 that emotion. So I R5 my emotion. Keep saying it for some time, and you continue saying this till you feel absolutely calm and neutral. So this is the first technique that I was talking about, emotional neutrality. And you can feel emotionally very neutral in a very short span. So you can open your eyes. And the second thing you can experiment at home is if you have pain. So all you need to do is either just say I revive, recognize, realign, reorient, reposition my pain. And you keep saying it for some time, 14 times, 21 times, or ask what do you feel because of this pain. So if you have pain in any part of the body and you say and you ask yourself what does it make you feel. Supposing you have a backache, it makes you feel stiff, or there is stiffness, there is heaviness, or you feel constricted. Just R5 that. I R5 my stiffness. Say it a few times. Again, see what you feel. Keep saying it till you feel actually pain-free. So please do join us if you want to experience this profound and most amazing philosophy called Radical. Thank you so much for having the patience to listen to such a long conversation. Thank you. Hi Masoom, and I also request you that if you have today, because I'm sharing what is Radical, and we have so many people wanting to know Radical, please share it with your friends today so that they at least get an introduction of what the essence of Radical is, and I'll be very grateful. Thank you, Masoom. Hi, Gigi. Hi Mona. Hi Madhuri. Hi Shada, thank you for attending. Hi Nalini. Hi Rupal. Hi Pratiksha. Hi Varsha. Thank you so much. I love the way you spelled my Uma. Hi Alka. Hi Narayan. Hi Deepak. Hi Reena. Pratika. Hi. Hi Sharad. Hi Harsha. Oh, that's. Hi Archana. Thank you so much. Hi Ambika. Thank you so much. And it's for me, it's like my sole mission to spread love and through Radical. And please join me in spreading this love with everybody. Each and everybody can benefit from, each and everyone can benefit from this beautiful philosophy and these beautiful magical tools of Radical. So please join me in this. Now, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sheetal. Thank you, Doily. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sienna. Thank you, Renu. Happy Teachers' Day to each one of you. I don't want to miss anyone actually. Thank you, Prabha. If I miss someone, then you can blame it on my bad eyes. So, thank you so much for joining me on Facebook Live. And once again, please join me in, making Radical reach each and every person in this world. Thank you.